Hey guys, so quick video on how we can reset your Xiaomi TV password. So first, changing the password on Xiaomi device, you can change the password in settings, Xiaomi account security. On the computer, what you need to do is that you need to go to this site, Xiaomi account, and add a forgot password if you are connecting with the password with your Xiaomi TV. And that's how we're gonna do it. So if you forgot the password, go to id.mi.com and then forgot password, and then when you're gonna like log in, then you can use that for the password of your TV. So I just want to make this quick video for you on how you can do it, and hope it helps you. And if it doesn't help you, then what you need to do, you can also try to factory reset it. Go to settings, scroll down to find the reset factory settings and completely reset the TV. And then it's like everything is going to get reset, but you know that even the password is going to get reset. So this is another thing that you can try to do.